It's been a minute since I've posted a video, but I thought this was interesting, so I just pulled out my phone. I was doing an oil change, inspecting the bike, and noticed there are some like grimes, I guess, down this line. Cleaned it up, and actually you can see some right here, so not dirty. Wipe it. Anyways, so this bike is notorious, especially where this water pump is. It's notorious for leaking, and super interesting because I bought this bike. I rode it for 4,500 miles, I believe. A lot of it were track, so a lot of actual, like, I want to say aggressive riding. And this bike is notorious for leaks, and that is because this twin engine itself is very vibrating, I believe, and it could shake some bolts loose, right? And a couple of my friends who own 660s have told me that they actually torque their bolts down after each track day or even each race. I haven't done this side yet. I did retorque the other side, but I totally forgot about the water pump on this side and I haven't done it, and realized today that after seeing the grime, I wanted to tighten it a couple of them, and here it is, man. Okay, so this one's fine. This one doesn't reach. I need an extender. Let's try this one. Okay, this one's tight. Oh, this one spun with very little pressure already. Okay, this one's tight. So this one was actually loose, like to the point that I was able to spin it. And the rest. This side too. Yep, pretty tight. Just some random bolts, just to see. Okay, pretty tight. Pretty tight. Okay. But anyways, I wanted to make this video to, remind people with 660s or any kind of vibrating engines, you actually do want to check your torque specs on your bolts, especially on your case covers or your side cases. Short one. And then another pro tip I want to share, I guess it's not really pro, but I can't get this. So I have a little marker for automotive, whatever, right? It's literally a marker pen. If I can open it, there you go. I actually like to label my bolts. So as you can see on my rear set, I label it so that there's a mark on the bolt itself and then on something that's fixated, and that way I know that it's not backing out or spun, right? So yeah, there you go. I'm actually gonna do that for these bolts as well. I actually did on the other side, but this side, like I said, I didn't tighten it, totally forgot about it. Just here's a little example, a little quick dab like that and dab like that. And that way, I know. And I'm gonna do that for pretty much all the bolts that I see here, that I touch. Whoop. And then this one too, I think. Cool. It's just my OCD kicking in, Cool, done. Alrighty, so another paranoia thing that I do is I even like to mark the oil filter, and also I like to write the last mileage when I change the filter. Then that way I know for sure when I change the oil by just looking at the filter. Another one, man, another one.